Hi, we are Ariana Quijano and Jorge Morantes, and we are going to talk about the city of Oslo. Oslo is the capital of Norway, and they have been members of the C40 group for since 2012.
The CO2 reduction emissions, one of the main objectives of Oslo, as a member of the C4 group, has been to reduce their CO2 emissions. Their goal is to be 50% for the year 2020 and by 95% for the year 2030. This compared with the 1919 levels. In order to reach this goal, the city government has implemented different strategies. For example, renewable energy, biofertilizer, biogas, and strategy in waste management. In the graph, each side has the highs or low of CO2 from the year 1919 to the year 2020.
Okay, going deeper in the CO2 reduction goal, one of the strategies that the city are following is participate in the municipal building efficiency network approach. And this one is basically a set of technologies and strategies that are shared with other cities of the net. And these strategies are basically focused on the control that the city has over the municipal buildings. This control allows the city to implement strategies or things like energy efficiency improvements, reduce energy consumptions, cut the emissions, and save public money. Meanwhile, this building can act as a flagship um, to the another building owners. In addition, the city of Oslo, with the well together the another members of the net uh, are committed to apply a series of policies and restrictions um, well, in order to the new buildings are on the net zero carbon uh, by the year 2030.
The green purchase in the construction industry make an effort the development of zero emissions construction vehicle and machinery based in four pilot projects. Fossil, fossil fuel-free demolition places, fossil fuel-free construction places, on-site locally produced renewable energy and rotating electric vehicle. With the development of these pilots, Oslo will potentially reduce 400 tons of CO2. Also, the city has expect to generate great opportunities for the companies that are working on these projects. In the imagine the card that are turning in the article the SFM news say that Norway is the first country that surpassed with percent in electric car sold.
Besides the previously mentioned, another effort that the city of Oslo are doing in order to reach their goal is participate in the zero emission vehicles network. This net is a platform where the cities can put their best policies and practices uh, in the order to reduce the emissions using electric and zero emission vehicles. The principle of the focus of the cities that are in the net, it's planning for EV charging infrastructure that consists in supporting the cities to understand the politically and financial implications of planning for EV charging points. Another is increasing the incentives for EV uptake that basically consists in in support the cities to understand or to know the best ways that in monetary or non-monetary incentives that makes the EV market grow up. And finally, promoting the electrification of fleets that consists in recommends or finds what is the principal fleets of the city that must be migrated to a non-zero technology.
Finally, here are the bibliography reference on this slide are the bibliographies about the information and with we relate to exposit. And the other, the next slide, are the reference of the imagine or GIF that we put.